I think people will get to
Yeah.
see me in a light where they will be like, oh, she is a good actor for sure. I am at that stage where, like, your is not you, but anyone, like, your opinion of me is not my responsibility, so I'm not gonna break my head over. Again, I believe in actions speak louder than words. So I may not actually be able to express and be like, oh, I love you or I love you, but my actions speak enough and they convey the message. Whoever has asked that, who do you think is a winner? Honestly, each one of us is. So when you see the show, you will realize how difficult it is because it's been a competition with our own selves at each point.
ऐसे नहीं बाल सफेद किए हमने.
No, but it's a fact, you will realize.
Also the way she talks, no, एक eyebrow ऊपर रहती है, एक नीचे रहती है. Oh my
He's
god.
noticed it.
But of course I will do it. What else I'm
Very
sitting
few
here
people do
for?
it.
Shumona, Shumona, मैं हूँ एक Shumona. A better it is. So welcoming you to Filmy Mantra. I believe you are passing me in this singing competition. Can I come to Mumbai? कोई गल नहीं. बाल सफेद हो गए आपके खतरों के खिलाड़ी करते करते. कितना खतरा मोल ले लिया.
हो के रखा है और कुछ नहीं, काफी टाइम से सिर्फ खतरों के चक्कर में नहीं हुआ है.
How are you feeling playing with खतरास?
Now very good.
Mm-hmm.
वो हमेशा रेट्रोस्पेक्ट में हम देखते हैं ना, तो काफी like wow, what an experience. फटी पड़ी थी, but yeah.
Also because you've been somebody who has been very popular for the shairis that you've done, and though all I'm missing your sarees of course, but you can still come up with a shairi that she did remember for almost 10 minutes.
तो एक ये बहुत ही there's a popular one from the show only actually, and I think it's one of my favorites and hence I remember it. लोग क्या सोचेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे, वो भी अगर हम सोचेंगे तो फिर लोग क्या सोचेंगे.
जहाँ सोच वहाँ शौचालय.
Very bad.
Okay, going ahead, what are you expecting, because you had a different image doing shows, all of that, and you have break through all of that एक ही साथ, and then you have become the खतरा. तो क्या क्या
That is for everyone else. I know what I have been in real life, but me, I mean, I am a very private person in real life. But I have always had adventure and travels as part of my life. But yeah, I mean, doing Khatro, like a lot of people asked, I mean, it is my first reality show, but it's a very balanced kind of a reality show because it sort of is in sync with my sensibilities because there's no voting, there is no like unnecessary drama or content masala types or even a scorecard, judging and all of that. It's a very
you don't
you
want
perform
that.
a stunt, you move forward. You don't perform a stunt, you don't move forward. It's very black and white in that sense, right? So it's a fair game. And also I think the whole adventure and the experience of it is kind of once in a lifetime kind of an experience. You'll never get to do this even if you pay money to do
Yeah.
it. So
But did you do the comedy stuff which is inbuilt in you? Of course, you have done that.
no, I haven't done that. That's not me in real life.
Yeah.
That's the actor in me who did a character and I think did a pretty good job of it for a long time. But no, I think people will get to see me in a light where they will be like, oh, she is a good actor for sure. So yeah, because I'm an introvert in that sense. I don't
You're
open
choosy.
up easy, and yeah, I am. I'm very like I'm quiet, and like two people could be fighting and or having a argument or whatever, but or even trying to have it with me, but I'm not going to get worked up about it. I mean, also Safed Bal, maturity, experience, life. I am at that stage where, like, your is not you, but anyone, like, your opinion of me is not my responsibility. So I'm not going to break my head over it.
As it's your first reality show, the other one is on the
I think
no,
last, yeah.
the other one is on the way. Big Boss also coming soon on
I'm
TV.
good. No thanks.
Why you're not fan of Big Boss or what? Don't you like that all drama?
I actually don't like drama.
Chai
at all.
फेंकना
I
था.
run away from drama. I've never seen the show, so I don't know. I've never seen the show.
So you'll never do. Think again. You'll never do. I want to see you, yaar. You would have.
No, I don't
You
know.
would be a good contestant.
I'm a good actor and I would like to stick to my acting.
You're saying
jobs.
all bad actors goes to the show. What?
I'm not, I have nothing to do with the show. I'm saying for me and my journey, I would like to just continue on my acting journey and do what. There's a lot of good
Yeah.
acting work happening. Fiction, and, on OTT, shows, series, films. So yeah.
So, as you're very private and introvert kind of a person, how do you define love? Because people who are like you, in sense of the personality traits, they also feel that hesitation to confess the love, showing that
Yeah,
that
I don't
affection.
express really. It's been hard.
That's difficult.
Yeah, I know.
I
Ask
can't
my
be dating
family.
somebody who's not showing love to me.
Ask my family and friends, they know. But again, I believe in actions speak louder than words. So I may not actually be able to express and be like, oh, I love you or I love you, but my actions speak enough and they convey the message. And because if I didn't feel love for a person, I mean, be it my brother or my, a partner or a friend or whoever, I really wouldn't do the things that I do for them.
How Khatro Ke Khiladi has changed something in you? Is there something that you felt कि okay, this episode or this show did change a little bit ये चीज़ मुझ में?
More than changing,
You've adapted a lot of
I
things.
think there was a lot of getting to know myself in the sense like even in times of an adversity or a challenging situation, like I knew mom was not well back home and there was nobody, luckily a neighbor helped out and I
Oh,
was
wow.
there physically, in Romania and not with mom. So, mentally it's very stressful. Like it happened even with Ashish for that matter of fact. His mom was actually in the hospital. So, there are a lot of things which is not stunt related, but आप physically वहाँ पे हो क्योंकि आपको stunt करना है, but mentally or somewhere else. So, I think there were a lot of things before doing a stunt, that whole fight with yourself, with your mind and your body, कर सकोगे, नहीं कर सकोगे, will I fail, will I... And it's more to do with yourself. So amidst all of that, to overcome all of this, and your own, see, at the end of the day, ना, आप जब stunt करने जाते हो, when you actually go to do it, you realize you're actually fighting and competing with yourself.
Yeah.
To be very honest, and I think hence whoever has asked that, who do you think is a winner? Honestly, each one of us is. So when you see the show, you will realize how difficult it is because it's been a competition with our own selves at each point.
ऐसे नहीं बाल सफेद किए हमने हाँ.
No, but it's a fact, you will realize.
I'm
But it's
loving
also
it.
true.
But at the same time, we miss you, है ना, doing comedy on TV as well. I miss your looks, of course. I miss your things. So, have you got any plan to go back to do that stuff? Do you enjoy that also? Of
I
course.
have enjoyed it, I have loved it, and I love what I do, and hence I'm an actor, to be very honest.
Yeah.
That's quite literally. But yes, comedy has been a genre that I've dabbled with for very long. And I would.
You will be a good
and
villain
as
also.
an actor, I really want to explore other things. Like I've not done action, I've not done romance.
Yeah.
I want to do like a psycho thriller where I'm a murderer.
No, you will
probably.
be. I'm telling
Like
you.
I'll be so good at it. Like I want to do like a hardcore, like a
I want to see both the traits. One desi mawali kind of a girl, just a chaku
Mawali, I
maregi,
don't
and
know.
the other one is with bandooks and guns, of course.
If you've seen the show Killing Eve, like Villanelle, the girl.
Yeah.
Very that kind. Like
Casting directors, please call her. She's available.
Yes,
Show भी done हो गया है अब तो.
Yeah, absolutely available. Yeah.
Any other thing romance करना चाहती हैं आप on screen?
Yeah, I would love to.
Any
I haven't done that on screen really.
है ना?
बड़े अच्छे में थोड़ा बहुत था, but yeah.
कोई ऐसा preference आपके लिए romance में?
A person?
Yeah. Actor.
No, there's so many on screen.
There's
I don't
13.
know.
Except Shah Rukh and Salman.
Uh,
Everyone is just doing romance with them.
No, I wasn't even thinking of them. I was thinking of Ryan Gosling and George Clooney. So what is the equivalent of that here?
Bollywood you're supposed to.
Oh, Bollywood. Sorry, I think far. Seriously, God, I would have been so full of
Yeah.
shit.
Do romance in with Ishan Khatter. You look good.
He's very young.
So?
He's very young.
You're an actor. What else?
He looked like my younger brother. I don't think it will look good.
I didn't know that. No, I didn't know that.
He looked
No.
like my younger brother, 36 years old. Like, no, a little older would be nicer. I think I would look better with someone older.
Pankaj Tripathi, you want to what?
I didn't say father.
Vijay Verma. Good choice. Say yes now.
Vijay Verma,
Tamanna Bhatia wala Vijay Verma.
okay, I was going to say the Kareena film.
Okay.
But
I thought you are unable to recognize the
No, I know the person, but the last name I was. Yeah. No, I know Vijay. I've met Vijay. He's wonderful. Oh yeah, why not? Yeah. Very interesting.
चलो कोई तो हाँ बोल
Yeah,
दिया
yeah. Vijay is interesting. I think even in the new crop of actors,
गुलशन देवैया,
Gulshan's work I've seen. I think he's.
राजकुमार राव.
Yeah, why not? All of them. They're all very good actors. Yeah. Like I'm.
They are good
you know,
actors.
when you say romance, for me, I'm not looking at romance. I'm looking at
The
performers.
story, yeah, performers.
I'm looking at performers. So even shit, me and names, yeah. The Rocket Boys, the actors, very good. Forgetting the name.
पता नहीं कौन but ठीक है.
Damn it, me and names. What a talented guy. He then, yeah. Jim Sir and even the other one. Jim Sir, very different. Oh my god, okay.
That's too demanding now.
Too demanding, but again, these are all very, very good actors.
Yeah, he's
Ishwak is good. Jim, yes. All very good actors. Vikrant is a very bloody dear friend of mine. उसके साथ मैं romance नहीं कर सकती, but yeah, मैं हंस दूँगी उसके साथ. बहुत जिगरी दोस्त है मेरा.
ठीक है, on that note, we want to see you more and more of course. 27 जुलाई 7 और 2 9 मूलांक 9 वाले आपके लिए बहुत ही स्पेशल शो. भाइयों बहनों, आप हमें अपना मैसेज दे दीजिए. Full drama edit. She's like, what are you doing?
Yeah, I was like, what are you doing? What language did that? So no, I think for everyone out there watching me and who have always actually given me a lot of love and support throughout my career, please, I hope you really enjoy watching this show, watching me do what I've done, and also in the future, whatever I do, I hope you continue with your love and support.
Also the way she talks, no, एक eyebrow ऊपर रहती है, एक नीचे रहती है. Oh my
He
god.
noticed it.
But of course I will do it. What else I'm
Very
sitting
few
here for?
people do it. It's
You know, full Asha Bhosle face you get.
that's a compliment.
Yeah, of course.
Only if I could sing, even 0.1% like her, but no.
But thank you, Shimon. It was
Thank
lovely talking to you.
Thank
So
you so
fun.
much. Thank you.
Thank you.